Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard's YT session. So this is a strategy video for your SBI PO exam. Now SBI PO, if you're targeting, how many months are required for English section preparation? Now this is a specific video for English section. So if you're preparing, whether you are at you can say beginner level, or you have given the exam earlier, or probably you know your concepts, but now you could not clear maybe main stage. So for all those guys, I will tell you what should be your strategy and how many months required, right? So please, always one request, divide English into sections. Now see, what I have done for you is, here first thing, grammar. Okay, now for grammar, first basic you understand, syllabus is same whether you talk about pre or mains, syllabus same रहता है. Okay, syllabus is same for both pre and mains. So grammar, if I talk about grammar, what you need to know here is, you get error spotting questions, right? So here you should know your rules, right? Grammar rules, for which you have to watch or you should go through all the basic rules of all the chapter. So if I talk about the syllabus, you have all the basics here. Parts of speech first, noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, article, tense, right? All of these are your basic chapters. Now approx how many rules you have to understand? 12 to 15 rules are under each chapter, from which you are asked the questions on errors. Okay, so you get major question on error spotting. Now remember, in one of your SBI exams only, there were at least 10 questions. So you can say weightage 8 to 10 questions from error spotting. Now this could be any pattern. Okay, even phrase replacement is asked from grammar related rules or logics. So phrase replacement as well. So you cover a lot if you cover grammar. This is your basic, this is your concepts. Now if I take the duration, for example, in 1 week, even if you're watching parts of, like in my course, there are parts, noun 1, noun 2. In parts, there are videos done with all your basics and important rules. So in 1 week, even if I pick 2 videos or 2 chapters, okay, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4, 5, approximately say 4 to 5 weeks, means I can give or target 1 month time for completion of full complete grammar logics rules, and with questions we can target 1 month for grammar. Okay, so understanding the rules, particularly for beginners who are doing the for the first time. Now जिन्होंने पहले एग्जाम दिए, people who have already given the exam, they can directly start with the rules, with the question practice, miscellaneous, error spotting. Those who are beginners, you can watch the videos and of course chapter wise do question practice in 1 month. So this is a target. Coming to the next part, आपका आता है reading and comprehension. Now all your questions related to context, like RC, major weightage question. Then we have para jumble, right? Then we have close test. Then we have your questions like para completion, match the following, para completion, sentence arrangement. Okay, then we have match the following. Okay, so these are your set of questions when we talk about reading and comprehension part. Okay, now you know RC's highest weightage, para jumble 5 marks. This is a very important part. For this, on a regular basis, what you will have to do is, from day 1, firstly give time to reading. Okay, this is something which will go on for regular basis. Reading on a regular basis. Like I say, minimum 3 articles or 3 editorials per day. Apart from that, how will you practice, or how will you know the approach? Again, in the course, if you are a beginner, you have to watch it in detail. If you have already know your concepts, you know your approach, how to solve, you will for example target practice. From where you can do that? So we have you can keep another, you can say after completing grammar, another 1 month target to complete all these question types from the book Oliveboard's English Simplified. So this is 2 months for you. Okay, 2 months. Or third thing what you will do is, after doing questions from the book complete set, okay, videos, and if you're doing the videos also, you will get approach and questions, plus you can target it with the book completion. So it will take 1 month nearly. Okay, now after this, next stage will be focusing on topic test or mocks or previous year papers. If I put these tests or practices together, previous year papers, mocks, topic test, okay, if I put these together, then probably it will be another 1 month. So approximate, if I say as a beginner, it will take minimum 3 months, or even if you are not a beginner, you will have to revise all your concepts again, then start or continue with your practice. So minimum, I am saying 3 months is required. Third part of English is vocabulary. This is something you have to do regular. So you can combine this with your reading part, regular, and always combine with reading. Whenever you read and you get new words, and you have to take note of that, how the words are used, combined with reading. Okay, this is not something separately, I will say, follow any book, not required. You just have to combine it with your regular reading. In any editorial or any article you are finding new words, search the meaning, understand the context. I know it is time consuming, it might be initially taking a lot of time, but this will be the most useful for vocab, right? So minimum, how much we have come to is minimum, this is minimum 3 months, from very basic to covering all the practice part. So 3 months is required. Okay, now guys, we already have a course for both pre and mains, SBI PO 2022-23. Check this out. You can get discount also on my code, which is Harshita, HARSHITA. Also, because you will be writing multiple exams, you can just buy Super Elite if you want to access the practice sessions of all multiple exams of all sections. Okay, even if you want other exam access, you can just buy the Super Elite plan. Also on my code, you will get discount. Other than that, this is enough. Here you will get everything. You will get concept videos, you will get live practice sessions, and you will also get your test. Okay, so complete package for SBI PO. Okay, so minimum 3 months, and if you haven't started yet, do that. Any query regarding preparation of SBI PO, do mention in the comments below. I will reply back, right? Thank you, and see you in classes now.